tower in Charleston, West Virginia.
This whole building is epic, and I want to show y'all something on the 11th floor after we film this. Door closed does not work. It's a shame this got modded. This was a vintage Otis.
Check out that right there.
There used to be a directional lantern there, I would assume.
Everything about this building is awesome.
Except for the elevator.
Except for these.
But these buttons, I'll be honest, these are becoming pretty rare now. They're all being replaced with the new Mad BS. And we're gonna end on 11 because I want to show y'all something up there. But this basement, look at this basement. This basement just screams. Look, someone's in there now. There's someone down here. That door was closed earlier. Someone just came down here. I'm kind of disappointed though. I mean, but still, these newer versions of the Dover Traditional, they're not bad.
Is this ThyssenKrupp Traditional?
Yeah, they don't make it anymore, I don't think.
I'm sure everything just gets replaced.
Of course, you know who the made by is mad. I want to show you two cool things up here. The first thing we're going to show you is out here.
Check this out.
We know elevaTOURS is all about being healthy, so we're not going to walk all the steps, but this is a scenic steps. We're going to walk up one flight, and then I'll let you come look at the door. And there's Aaron down there. Oh, I almost dropped my phone. This is the coolest stairs. And there's another stairwell I'll show you, but I'm gonna pause the video so Aaron can get a look.
Thank you. Check out this view. Did y'all see that?
Look at the Art Deco on that bush. Look at that. Now we have something else to show you over here. This is the other steps. Look at that floor. What's this called? Terrazzo?
Terrazzo.
This is beautiful. And since elevaTOURS is about being healthy, we're going to walk to the top. And just remember, walking upstairs burns almost 5 times as many calories as riding an elevator.
I completely lost focus.
Keeps going up. We're gonna walk all the way to the top and end the video. And here is a dead end. So with that being said, Aaron, this building's epic. Everything about it, except for the elevator.
Yep.
These steps are epic, so that'll be it. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.